In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mix vocal and instrumental in BandLab. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable workflow for getting your vocals to sit on top of the beat without sounding harsh or buried. Start by opening your project and importing two audio files, your instrumental or beat and your lead vocal. Once both tracks are in, set your basic balance before touching any effects. Pull the instrumental down to somewhere between -14 and -10 dB on the track fader. Then set the vocal a little louder, around -8 to -6 dB. This simple balance is the foundation of every good mix. You want the vocal to feel like it's leading the song, with the instrumental supporting it, not overpowering it. Keep an eye on the meters and make sure nothing is clipping. Leave a little headroom so you have space to process later. Next, clean up the vocal with EQ so it sounds clear and intentional. Add an equalizer to the vocal track. Start with a gentle high-pass filter to remove low-end rumble. Set the cutoff somewhere between 80 and 120 Hz, depending on how deep the voice is. If the vocal sounds boxy or muddy, make a small cut in the 200 to 400 Hz range, about 2 to 4 dB, and listen for the sweet spot where the voice opens up without getting thin. For presence and intelligibility, add a subtle boost around 3 to 5 kHz, roughly 2 to 4 dB, to help consonants pop through the beat. If you want a bit of polish on top, a light air boost at 8 to 10 kHz, about 1 to 3 dB, can add brightness and breath without being harsh. Make small moves and listen in context with the instrumental. Soloing is helpful for finding problems, but the real test is how the vocal sits in the full mix. Now even out the vocal with compression so it stays steady from word to word. Add a compressor on the vocal track. Set the ratio to around 3:1, use a fast attack to catch sharp peaks, and a medium release so the vocal breathes naturally. Lower the threshold until you see about 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on the loudest phrases. If the vocal gets quieter after compressing, use makeup gain to bring it back to a similar level as before, without pushing it past the instrumental. You should hear the voice become more consistent and confidently forward. Finally, play the track from start to finish and make small fader tweaks so the balance stays musical. That's it. Import, level, clean, and compress for a solid BandLab vocal mix.